Today we're doing a tile and grout cleaning. We're using the innovative SETT approach. And first off, we're going to use the Ryobi power scrubber for the agitation, and then we're going to extract with the auric orbiter using the microfiber pad. We're keeping it simple. We're going to get great results. We're going to make these grout lines bright and white again, and the tile is going to look magnificent. And we're going to do all that without a spinner or a shop vacuum. This is completely SETT.
You guys got to see if he can make it to his senior night game.
When is that?
They haven't announced it yet, but that's when they, we walk them on the field and they do the little ceremony for him on senior night.
Yeah, I'll go to that.
Yeah, it should be at G-Pop Stadium too.
Where at?
That's the G-Pop Stadium by the fairgrounds.
Okay.
So it'll be in town.
All right, cool.
Yeah, keep you posted.
All right, yeah, keep me posted. I'm not a braggart, but the floor looks like $1 million. Simple process, simple, innovative SETT process gets the job done. I like to do floors that are under 500 square feet. I find that that is the easiest and most profitable way to clean tile and grout as a SETT specialist. So keep that in mind. And thank you for watching, and I really appreciate it.